And there it is, and of course, I'm very excited. Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. Interchangeable lens action cam. A pink knife. Let's open it. Ooh. Satisfaction. Oh. Smells like an action. Double satisfaction. Alright. So maybe it's time for thumbnail. Yeah. Bam. Bam. Let me just take a thumbnail. Bam. Tremendous. Wow. Battery. Ooh. Satisfaction again. 360 lens wrapped in foil all over the place. 4K lens and the main unit. Everything is wrapped. Nice. How can I take the plastic off? Just rip it off. Ooh. Wow. Another gorgeous satisfaction. Nice. Yes. And another one. So much plastic all over the place. Let's put it in here. Ooh, check this out. Ooh, nice. Check out those sockets. Wow. Are they easy to install? Oh yeah, very easy. All right. Right. What else do we have in here? Accessories. That should be fun. USB Type-C cable. We don't need to open this. We have plenty of them. And a case. Oh, a lot of stuff here. Insta360 stickers. Position controls. Insta360 RS manual, which is quite thick. Clean cloth, great success. And wow, so much stuff. There's protection for your lenses, 360. What else do we have here? What is that? Oh wow. Yeah. Rocket looks nice. Carbon team. Oh, pressing this button and it will on both sides. See? And it will release the hinge. Alright, we don't need that because we have plenty of those. Are we? I think so. Yeah, that wasn't this one. Okay, let's just put it aside. So let's start with the regular lens. We need to install the memory card first. So memory card goes where? That's the question. Which I don't have an answer for. Probably somewhere in here because there's a sticker. Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely in that. Yep, that's the hole. And it's sealed. I can see some waterproofing or splash proofing. Okay, let me find a memory card, a decent memory card. There you go, 258 gigabyte Pro from Samsung. That is a fantastic memory card. Definitely recommend this one because it won't give you any errors. At least for me, it won't give me any errors yet. Connection, Wi-Fi. Here we go. Here we go. There's not too much battery inside, so we have to charge it. I'll call it like this, and then the battery goes in here. Okay. So, we have a camera on my helmet. Let's unplug the bike. There it is. How can you hear me? Environment. Super high resolution. 5.7K. Really good. Angle won't matter because it's 360. And this, I will probably upload this in two different ways. Edit it to regular and 360 video. Yeah, that's what we do. It's quite heavy on my helmet. I have a very light helmet. Feels heavy. I'm correcting my hammer because I'm concerned about the viewing angle, and it doesn't matter in 360. Because it's 360. Yeah. Alright. Now we are in the search for selfie stick. A regular selfie stick. I've been in the market, but there's nothing there. No selfie sticks, which is quite strange. That's what it is. Now we need to find the Chinese store. Probably have selfie sticks. And I know where's one close by, or like 2 kilometers. Battery usage seems decent. Seems pretty good. At least with a regular 4K lens. I don't know about 360, but with the regular, very nice battery life. Worry about mounting Right. Good? Looks good. I mean, it feels good. I don't see it. It feels good. If something happened, that's a bit. Those lenses will crack like eggshell. Let's go. A little red light. Alrighty then, testing. How's the audio quality? How's the video? 4K, 30 frames per second. That's the 4K lens. Oh, not exactly straight because of my mounting kit. That's all I have. That's all I can get. It's a chest mount, so you know how it goes. Beautiful weather today, fantastic weather. There's no clouds at all. Wow. Exercise. Oh, there was a long time when I ride this bike. Usually I use electric scooters. Ooh, that's a good exercise. Very good. I wonder is the audio going to be better than the GoPro? That was really nice. That's right, beautiful weather. Good time, man. Of course, this is just a first impression video, which is already too long. But my thoughts at first impression, the wind noise, a lot of wind noise. Way more than in the GoPro and any other camera. Maybe I could cancel it in the menu. Who knows? Let's leave that for the full review. And image quality, I think the X2 version has the better image quality, but X2 is big, and X2 1 inch is even bigger. This is more compact. It's really, it's nice, like a GoPro, easy to mount, because the X2 version is huge and it will stick to your helmet. This is better. Huge battery life is very important. But let's leave all of it for the nice review. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.